Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable checkout form validation with Stripe Elements step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the Developers section. Look for the API keys and ensure you have your publishable key handy. Set up a new HTML page or open your existing checkout page. Include the Stripe.js library by adding the following script tag in your HTML. Add a form element in your HTML where the user will enter their payment details. Create input fields within the form for card number, expiration date, CVC, and postal code. Make sure to add IDs to each input field for easy identification later. Initialize Stripe and create an instance of elements within your JavaScript code. Create an instance of the card element using the Stripe Elements library. Mount the card element to your designated input field in your HTML. Add an event listener to the form for the submit event. In the event listener, prevent the default form submission using event.preventDefault. Use Stripe to create a token or a payment method based on the user's input. Check for any validation errors in the input fields before proceeding with the payment. Display error messages next to the respective input fields if there are validation issues. If everything is valid, send the token or payment method to your server for further processing. Handle the server response appropriately, displaying success or error messages to the user. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure the validation works as intended. Review your code for any potential improvements or security enhancements. Now your checkout form validation with Stripe Elements is ready for production use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.